Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe at home. Today I am showing groceries I stocked for 2 weeks and also showing how to prepare a simple aloo paratha. So this is my fridge. Let's begin. In this side of the fridge I kept milk, cold drinks and coconut water. Coconut water has very good health benefits. So recently I started having it. Here I kept everything that is needed for preparing pasta and noodles, vinegar, soya sauce and other masalas. Here I kept everything that is required for preparing sandwich, basically vegan mayonnaise, hazelnut and other sauces. Coming to this part of the fridge, unfortunately my freezer is not working, so I just kept this piece here itself. So the other thing I have is this okra. Most of the vegetables come in plastic cover. So before placing in fridge, I will just remove the plastic cover and sanitize them. Here I have lemon, tomatoes, spring onion and brinjal. This side I have carrot, cabbage, capsicum, mango and cucumber. Here I arranged coriander, chili, radish, beans, butter and cheese. I kept another set of milk, coconut water, juice along with yogurt. In the uppermost section of this fridge, I kept condensed milk, cherries, coconut. Fridge is fully loaded and it will last more than 2 weeks. I usually do experiment with vegetables and curries, but considering the situation, I'm just sticking to basic. Other things I have here is potatoes, onions, cereals and fruits. Recently I learned how to prepare bread at home, so I got this 1 kg all-purpose flour from which I can make up to 5 medium-sized bread. Now I will show how to prepare aloo paratha with minimum ingredients and simple steps. First step for aloo paratha is making this dough. To make the dough, I took 3 small cups of wheat flour, mixing the dough using water. Knead well. Dough is now prepared. Second step in aloo paratha is this potato filling. Take 5 to 6 small boiled potatoes. Mash well and make a smooth paste. To this mixture, add handful of coriander leaves and 4 to 5 chilies. Instead of green chilies, you can also add red chili powder. Now adding 2 spoons of garam masala powder, pinch of turmeric, salt as per the taste. Also adding 1 spoon of chaat masala. This is to add bit of tangy flavor. If you don't have it, you can also use dried mango powder. Now give a good mix. I can use this potato filling for 10 medium-sized parathas. Potato filling is ready. So this is the setup for making aloo paratha. I got this dough and potato filling is ready. Along with that, I have also taken 2 spoons of butter and dry flour. Let's start making aloo paratha. While the pan is heating, I am taking small portion of the dough and making small ball. Tossing this in dry flour, rolling it and making a thick disc. Hand-sized disc is ready. Now adding 1.5 spoons of potato filling into this disc. Close the sides gently, making sure that filling is not coming out. Like this. Now toss it again in the dry flour and roll it gently. Tip number 1. If your dough is very soft, aloo paratha will not break while you are rolling it. Tip number 2. Potato filling should be more than the dough itself, so that filling fragrance will be dominant. Paratha is now ready to be cooked. Get this gently and place it on hot tawa. Flip the paratha after around 30 seconds. Add butter on top of it. Spread it all around the paratha. Flip it again. Also add butter on the other side. You will also start noticing paratha becoming fluffy. Press gently so all the sides will be cooked. Cook it without burning it. Fluffy aloo paratha is ready. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, share, subscribe.